4 books that can help you create content consistently. If you want to be a successful content creator, then you have to actually, create content. You can't just find success and an audience in your field if you don't continue to put out creations that will catch the attention of your audience and then build a bigger one. But sometimes it's hard to stay on the ball and keep putting out new stuff on a regular schedule. There are many reasons for this. Perhaps your day job gets in the way, or life throws you a few curveballs. Maybe you just feel like you're drained of ideas, or you face writer's block. Whatever the reason, being consistent isn't always easy when you're a content creator. But it is always essential, because you cannot build success by not staying consistent, especially in this day and age when certain creators are communicating with their audiences every single day via their website, vlog, Twitter account, Facebook page and more. It seems that they are always active and always making new content for their audience. There are ways to get more consistent and better about staying on a regular schedule. Sometimes you just need to hit the books and take the advice of the experts. Today's tutorials will take a good look at some literature that you should add to your library if you wish to be a consistent content creator. Everybody Writes, Your Go-To Guide to Creating Ridiculously Good Content by Anne Handley is a terrific book that will teach you a lot about consistently creating entertaining content for your fans that they will love. The author also goes to great lengths to teach the reader about storytelling, something that is crucial for successful online personalities. Without storytelling, whatever your content is won't be engaging and won't hook your viewers or readers. Handy's writing is easy to follow and her tips are easy to implement too. How to Shoot Video That Doesn't Suck by Steve Stockman is another book you should keep with you. The title says it all, doesn't it? With Stockman's book, you will learn how to create videos and streams that captivate the audience. There are so many boneheaded, simple mistakes that content creators make again and again, and they don't even notice them. A book like this will break down the basics. Born to Blog, Building Your Blog for Personal and Business Success, One Post at a Time by Mark Schaefer and Stanford Smith will help you craft the best written word for your site. Blogging is still very essential, even though many content creators have pivoted to videos. Once you know how to make eye-catching, fun, entertaining blogs, you'll see that your audience will return again and again. A successful blog will be both personal and professional. It'll be fun to read with strong personality in every paragraph, but it will also serve a purpose. It will create a loyal audience. And it will also successfully pitch your goods and services in an attractive and enjoyable way. Whatever sort of content you're creating, you will not find the right audience unless you are able to master SEO. That is why the book The Art of SEO, Mastering Search Engine Optimization from Eric Enge, Stephen Spencer and Jesse Stricicola is another must-have book. This book will teach you so much of what you need to know to make your content really thrive online and pop up on multiple search engine results. If you don't know how to pump up your SEO, your content doesn't stand a chance.